All right, so go to google.com, click on the hamburger, go to Sheets. All right, blank. And we're going to change the name first. We're going to say Standard Deviation. And I'll call this period 2. You should put your name there. Or I guess I'll put my name too. All right, just going to make this a little easier to see, hopefully. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see where I'm pressing. Also here, let's make this a little easier for us. A little bigger. All right. So each one of these things, just like a graph on, in math class, has a location. This one is B3. So here, I'll delete that and type set. Over here, let's just put a set of numbers, 10, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 17. All right. Now, I can do a lot of cool things with these. What operations can I do? Well, first thing I can do is I can sum them up. So over here, I want to go to this guy, hit sum, and I'm just going to click here, and it'll sum up everything in this row. That's why there's nothing else in this row. That way I can change the number of numbers later. Check. Let's see, what else can we do here? We can count this row. So this would be like n. So right there, if I want to average them, I can put in an equation now, or I can have the computer do it. Let's do it both ways. Let's call this mean calculated. So what I want to do now is I want to enter a formula just like I would in a calculator. So I'm going to hit the equals button, and I'm going to click on the one that I want on top, hit the divide button on my keyboard, and click this other one, enter. And you'll see this is 13.9 now. If I go over here and I change a number, you'll see that this guy automatically changes. And that's kind of the beauty of spreadsheets. It allows you to mess with your data as you go along. All right. So something else I can do is, like, let's just say that I want to put in here 22. I can now order this and sort it from biggest to smallest, or smallest to biggest, even if it was not originally ordered. But anyways, it's something else I can do. So I can give you a set of numbers, and this will order it for us. Now, how do we find the average with this guy? It's just average. It does call it average. I'm just going to click on that again. It's X, Control X, and Control V moves it. So this is our mu, and if I want that to look a little more like a mu, let's just make that italics. Check. All right. What else can we do in here? Yeah, so down here, we should have median in mode. Median. So let's call this capital X tilde. I'll put that in here, that this is median. Anything else in here that we can do? Go to all, MNOPQ. Rank. Is there a range? Did I miss it? Yeah, I'm surprised there's not a range. Whatever, let's make our own range. Range. So, ooh. Is there a max? Let's back up. Max. Max. Enter. Let's do min. Oh, I should put that there. Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V. And let's do min. Min. So this is max. Let's put in here max. Put here min. So now we can make range. So I'm going to click here, hit the equal button, click on that one, hit minus, click on that one, hit enter. Now that's my range. And what else do we have? Oh, mode. Do we have a mode in here? I seem to recall not having a mode. A, B, C, D, M, mod? Mode. Oh, nice. I think that's new. Very nice. So we'll call this mode. All right. And let's try another one. Oh. Data. Standard deviation. A, B. All right. Standard deviation. So this is of the set. That's of the population. So I think this and that are the same. Not positive about this. Check. Oh, screwed that up. I come up here and I can edit this and say that. So this is standard deviation. So we should also be able to get. Oh, we already have our mu. So let's highlight this guy, which is this one. Check. And highlight this one. They go together. Great. And let's see, insert chart. And we can do scatter other. One of these is a histogram. Histogram. Perfect. Data range. I'll type in B, comma. Oops, screwed that up. All right. Delete. All right, let's try this again. Well, highlight this first. Insert. Chart. Nope, I want a histogram. Histogram. Check. And as we put more numbers in there, you will see that we'll get more of an even distribution. Let's actually zoom out a little bit now. Let's see, zoom out. Let's go to 50%. And I should be able to move this guy around, put him on top, put him underneath. Okay, now the cool thing about doing this is once I have a sheet like this, I can add another sheet. Now, let's go to duplicate. I should have done that. So now sheet 1 and sheet 2 are the same, but if I come in here and start changing the numbers, and I can even add a bunch of numbers, right? Ooh, let's get rid of this outlier. Let's make him a 7. I want to be able to see all this again. I can move this guy over. Go up, put a 5 there, 10 there, a 9 there. And yeah, it shows all small numbers, but you see it calculated everything for me automatically. And that's the great thing about these spreadsheets. So it is your job to make one. Call me over when you're done. And basically, I'm going to come over and change a number and see if everything changes. Especially if I put in a big number like that. It should change everything real fast. All right. Let me know when you're done.